aray. Wait, saglit. Dito ka tabi. Mag-hi ka. Hi guys! So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And actually, nagbo-vlog siya. Ay, nagbo-vlog.
First time lang to.
So, sabihin ako. So, ito po, i-follow nyo, i-subscribe na po siya sa kanyang YouTube channel.
Lover.
Ano ba yun?
Meow Missy Lover.
Meow Missy Lover or Cocodimo or
Shady Bug.
Shady Bug.
Shady Bugger.
Bugger. Shady Bugger, okay? So, doon na kayo namin and now,
Collaboration. What about?
ano kayo may focus? Actually, ang gagawin namin, kaso wala dito yung bag niya eh.
Teka muna.
Saan ka pupunta? So, yun, may kakainin dito. Ngayon, ang challenge ko ay magdo-drawing kami.
Ng Roblox.
No!
Oh.
Sobrang hirap ng Roblox. Hindi naman ako magiging mag-drawing.
Okay.
Actually, mag-drawing kami na...
Collaboration.
Ano kaya? Maganda. Basta guys, kami nang bahala.
I am Meow Missy Lover. Whatever the number was. And here is Papa.
Hi! I-follow nyo guys ako, subscribe nyo guys ako sa aking vlog na Meow Raipa. Tapos may basta.
532. Ito yung bag niya. I'm just gonna video you. Like I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you.
So, hi!
So this is she's gonna have a different. What are you doing? What is she doing? She's making a lipstick.
I'm younger. I'm young.
Look at this. Cold water.
Ako, pwede na. Kasi,
Let's just put that back. It could be important.
na ako. Pero,
Here is one of her. This is her sibling. Watching. What the fudge? Okay. Let me just take a eat that like this. I don't know. I don't.